Today we are going to study about drawing and coloring with paint part 2. And in today's class we are going to study about magnifier tool, selecting a picture, resizing, cropping and rotating a picture. So are we all ready? Okay, let's start. Our learning objectives for today are to apply magnifier tool to select a closer view of a picture, to use the resizing and cropping a picture, to follow the steps to use magnifier, resizing and cropping a picture. So these are our learning objectives for today. Magnifier. Let us see the vocabulary words first. Magnifier. This is a magnifier. Select tool. Just look at the pictures. I will explain you everything in detail later on. Crop tool, resize tool, rotate tool. Now, what is a magnifier tool? You can see that I have a picture over here. The first is a picture of a tortoise and then the second picture is only the head. Using the magnifier tool in the toolbox to get a closer look at your drawing. If I need to look very closely to your drawing, how am I going to look? With the help of magnifying tool, how am I going to use that? Clicking with the magnifier increases the zoom level. To decrease the zoom level, right click the magnifier. Let me show you in my paint. Okay, I have already drawn this picture in paint. Now I want to see whether my face is fully colored or no. I am going to click on this magnifier on this toolbox. Click on this. Now, can you see that my mouse is changed to a magnifier now? Now, it will ask me which area you want to zoom in. Let me click here. See what is happening? The face is becoming closer to me. Yes, the picture has gone big. You can see it's 500% now. If I'll click again on it, see it is becoming more big. So how am I going to make it big? How am I going to look at a closer look? Through magnifier in the tool box. Clear? Okay. Next. Use the view tab. Now, once I have used my magnifier, how am I going to get out of my magnifier tool? To increase the zoom level, click the view tab and zoom in. Now see, this is the view tab on my paint, and if I need to increase the level of the picture, I'll click on zoom in, and if I need to decrease the zoom level, I'm going to click on zoom out. To see the picture in the paint window at its actual size, click 100%. Let me show you in my paint. Now this is this now. Home and view. When I'll click on view, zoom in, zoom out 100%. Now when I'll click on zoom in, what will happen? It is becoming more big. When I'll click on zoom out, it's becoming small, but we don't know how much we want. So better click on 100%. So it is going to be your actual window of the paint. Okay, again, how am I going to see the closer look? Through magnifier. See. Now click on view, zoom in, it will become more big. You can see as I'm clicking on zoom in, it is becoming more big. Now as I'll click on zoom out, it will make my picture small. Better click on 100% so the picture will go to its actual size. Clear? This is magnifying tool, and this is using the view tab, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now let's get back to our PowerPoint. Use the image group tools. Now here we are going to study about image group tools. We have 4 new tools in it: select tool, resize tool, crop tool and rotate tool. As you can see over here, all these 4 are here in the image group tools: select, crop, resize, rotate. Let us study first about select tool. To select an area of a picture, click, Home tab and select arrow. Click rectangular selection. Click and drag the pointer to select the rectangular area of the picture. To delete the selected part, click delete. This is select and rectangular part. Let me show you in my Paint. This is my picture now. This is my image group, and these are my 4 new tools. Select. Click on select and then rectangular selection. Now, select the area you want to select. I will choose this one. Can you see? I'm pressing the mouse button and I'm dragging my mouse. If you want to keep this, you can keep this area. If you want to delete this, you'll just press delete, it will be deleted. Okay, this way we are going to select. Why we are learning about select tool? Because before we do anything to our picture, to make the picture big, to make the picture small, the first thing we need to do is we have to select our picture. We have to select our picture. Now, see, I can drag this and I can take it here. See, anywhere I like. Only the part of the picture. Clear? How did I do it? Go to select. Again, I will show you. Go to select, rectangular selection. Choose the part you want to select and you can drag anywhere if you want. Or if you want to delete it, you can delete that part. Is this thing clear, class? Okay. Let's get back to our PowerPoint. And if you want to delete it, just press delete. Now, next we have crop tool. Use the crop tool to crop a picture. That's what I have just told you, that after selecting, you can take the picture anywhere you want. Just now I showed you, yes. Click select tool, click and drag the pointer to select the part of the picture and click crop. Only the selected area will remain. Let me show you this in my Paint. Now, select rectangular selection and I will click on selection and then I'm going to click on crop. When I'll click on crop, what will happen? Just see. Only my selected part is remaining, rest of it is gone. Yes? Yes? Let's get back. Now, I want to get my picture back. I'll just click on this undo button. So, I'll get my picture back. Again, I will explain you. Select rectangular selection. Let me just keep this part now and click on crop. Only the area you selected will be kept. Rest it will go. Clear? Now, let's get back to our PowerPoint now. This is crop tool. Select tool is to select, crop tool is to keep only a part of the picture. Next, resize and skew tool. Now, use the resize option to make your drawings bigger or smaller. First thing you have to do is you have to select your drawing using the select tool. As I told you before doing anything, you have to select your picture. Click resize. To make your drawing smaller, write any number less than 100 in the horizontal or vertical box, or write any number more than 100 to increase the size and click on OK. Let me show you this now. Paint. This is my picture now. What am I going to do first? I will select the picture. Very first thing, every time select the picture. Now, the third thing we are going to learn is resize. Click on this resize. It will open this window for me and then it will ask me what do you want to do with it? Percentage pixels, horizontal. It should be less than 100 or greater than 100 to see that what size of the picture goes. Let me write here as what do you want to say, 200. Let us see. And skew horizontal and vertical. Let us just say it should be less than 100. Yes, let us see now. Let us write less than 100 number. See what has happened. It has skewed. Let me show you again. Select, resize. Let me show you first only resize. 200 and click on OK. My picture has gone big to 200. Yes. Let us get back to our PowerPoint, then I'll explain you about my skew now. Skew options will let you stretch your drawing. What is the skew option? It will stretch your drawings. Just now you saw how it is stretching. In this picture also you can see this is a tortoise and then it is stretching, how it is going. Fill a value in the horizontal skew box and fill a value in the vertical skew box and click on OK. As I did now, let me show you again. This is my picture. Click on resize. Now I'm not going to touch anything with the resize. I will do only skew. Skew, let me do 56 and let me do 34. Just write a value. Can you see? Skew. This is called skew. It will stretch your pictures horizontally and vertically. Okay? But remember one thing, before doing anything, you have to select your picture. Let's get back to our PowerPoint. Rotate tool. The fourth tool now, rotate tool. Use the rotate tool to rotate or flip your drawing. Select your drawing using the select tool. Click on the down arrow next to rotate. Try out the rotate options. Now let me explain you this in my paint. Where is my paint? It's here. Now select rectangular. Now rotate. When I'll click on this arrow, what is going to happen? It will ask me rotate 90 degree. Let's see what will happen. 90 degree. Again 90 degree. Okay. Rotate left, sorry. Then flip vertical. Then flip horizontal. Can you see the differences? It is rotating the way I'm asking it to rotate. Yes? Yes or no? Again, select, select, rotate, rotate left, rotate right, rotate 180 degree, flip vertical, horizontal. Clear class? This is the way we will rotate. Okay? Clear? Next. Lab work. Next we have lab work. The group I have made 3 activities again. You can choose any one activity from it. Class, please choose any one activity from it. Make it on paint, take a picture and send me in Classera, because whatever you will send me, it is for marks. You will get marks out of 10. So the first activity is to make tortoise, like tortoise I have made, using any tool. Then use magnifier tool to zoom in and zoom out the picture. Next activity I have made, that you will make a coffee mug using any tool. You know, a cup, yes, a coffee cup. Make it that, any tool, and then you will select and crop the handle of the coffee mug. The handle of the coffee mug should be cropped. Next, where am I? Sorry. The third activity is make an emoji of a happy face. You know what is a happy face? Yes, make a happy face using circle or whatever. Then they will resize the picture. Then you will resize that picture. You know how to resize the picture, yes? And then resize the picture from small to big and then skew the picture. These are 3 different activities. Choose any one activity, do it and send me in Classera. Please, it is out of points. Don't lose your marks. I'm telling you, please don't lose it. Am I clear to all? Okay. Now, what tools we learned today in MS Paint? Yes, you are right. We learned about select tool, we learned about rotate, resize and skew and crop tool. Yes, and magnifier tool also. Are we clear with all these tools now? Okay. So let's see, did we apply our objectives today in our lessons? Did we study how to apply magnifying tool? Did we study how to use the resizing and cropping a picture tool? And did we follow the steps to use magnifying, resizing and cropping a picture? Yes, we did all. Now class, we end our lesson here, but please, if you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to ask me. Okay, thank you very much.